Oh, g'day everyone, and welcome back to another episode of Steve's Shed. And today I'm not going to take up a lot of your time. I was at my local auto parts store a little while ago, just wandering through the store, looking at the different detailing products that they sell over the shelf, see if there's any new brands out, just looking if there's any new products out, which are new products coming out all the time. And I noticed a particular brand that I know really well, and they had a number of specials on, and I saw one that I used to use quite a lot, and I thought, hey, I'm just going to grab one of those. And to lo and behold, I got home, started using it, and was thinking, man, this product just seems to be better than what I remember it. And it was a good product that when I used to use it maybe 10 years ago. And I thought to myself, gee whiz, wonder what's going on here. So I jumped on to the manufacturer's website, had a bit of a read through the specs and that on the particular product. And lo and behold, I found out that the product that I had bought was to their professional grade. And I thought, wow, that's really interesting, because often when you buy a detailing product, like many products, over the shelf at an auto parts store, or can be in other industries as well, the product that you're buying is often more concentrated than the professional grade, and that's because obviously they're selling at a particular price, competition and all that type of thing, and so to lo and behold, I just thought, wow, that is really cool. That I'm paying, I bought something that even when it's not on special, it's still price competitive with all of its major competition, and I'm actually buying as per their professional range. And so that's what I wanted to share today. I just thought I'd jump on and share, and that product is this. Mother's Revision. Mother's Revision is Mother's glass cleaner. The name Mother's Revision has been around for a long time, as Mother's has. Mother's has been out for decades and decades, well known. It was out there before a lot of these brands that you see today. They have a huge range of products, and one of the things that Mother's has is that Mother's has a professional range of products. So in Victoria, I was the first detailer to start using the Mother's professional range many years ago, and back then they used to sell their professional range into panel shops, and so I was the first to start using their professional range in this part of the world anyway. And lo and behold, I was just taken back. So yeah, it is just awesome. It's ammonia free, streak free. It is able to be used not just on glass on a vehicle. You can use it on your countertops, you can use it on your smartphone, you can use it on your TV, you can use it on your GPS, you can use it on the screen or your touch screen in your motor vehicle, obviously your headlights, and so on and so on and so on. So made in the USA, which is really good. But the cool thing for it is just being that professional grade. So professional grade products for mothers, you don't buy at an auto barn or super cheap or that. You don't see them on the shelves there. You go to Mother's Polish Australia and you select on their professional range, and you see all the professional products that they have for professional detailers and for the likes of panel shops. And I just wanted to point that out, because this is really good. So if I was a detailer, a mobile detailer for example, and I was out and about and I realized that I'd finished one job, I was on my way to another job, gee whiz, I am out of window cleaner. And believe me, it does happen. We try to be efficient all the time, but sometimes things get in the way and you forget to put it, you forget your top up or whatever it is. You can stop at your local auto parts store, which are all over the place. Mother's available all over the place, and you can run in, grab a bottle. You know that you've got a professional grade product, and away you go again. So that's an awesome thing. If you're a novice, you are a beginner, you're an intermediate, you're looking for a good product to use, and you want something that is money efficient, well, give Mother's Revision a try, because you're buying a professional grade product over the shelf, and so that is really good. Available in 3.75 litres through the Mother's Australia website, or at your local parts store. It comes in a 1 litre container like this one here. So yeah, I just wanted to share that with you today, because I just thought that was really cool. Buying something at a good price, not concentrated down, at the professional level, that's awesome. And the product works well. You just spray it on your cloth, wipe it on, and yeah, streak free. Easy peasy. So that's all I wanted to share today. So you have a good day. Please like, subscribe, those types of things that they say on these YouTube channels. And until next time, we will see you, and we'll see you later. Take care now. Bye.